Hello and welcome to a new video. I bought something new. A pellet grill. Finally. A grill which can cook my food while I'm asleep. Let's turn it on, do a first cook. There's nothing on yet. I just did an initial burn at 230 degrees Celsius to, well, kill everything that was inside. So now we can finally put some ribs on it. That's the first thing I'm going to cook. So let's turn it on. I'm going to show you what temperature I take for ribs. Let's see. So to start cooking, we turn on the grill and we turn this small wheel to smoke. And now we wait 2 to 3 minutes because ribs take about 3 to 3.5 hours. Because I'm not going for the 3-to-1 method, they are not very thick, the ribs I'm going to use. But because it's a long cook, I'm going to add some new pellets. The pellets I'm using, I'm not gonna lie, I received them for free with the grill, are premium diamond barbecue pellets. Barbecue competition team, Wettels on Fire, Belgium. It's Walnut, so I'm very excited. What's this gonna be? Because normally they say you should use apple pellets or anything with the ribs. But I'm going to use the walnut pellets I received for free with it. Let's go! There we go. And after 2 to 3 minutes, you can hardly see, but there's a little smoke coming here. White smoke. So now we close the lid and we let it heat up to the position for the ribs. I want 121 degrees Celsius. Now let's wait till it's warm enough. While we wait, I'm going to show you a little bit how a pellet smoker works. So here go the pellets. Like I showed you before, it's walnut pellets. Here you can choose the temperature. It goes all the way up to 240 degrees Celsius, but that's way too high for a long cook like we always do. Inside the grill is a lot of space, total of 1 square meter of grill. Now I've taken it out because I'm not going to use that much of grills, but normally those you can also put there. And there's a small chimney and some hooks to put some tweezers on, but I'm not using those. So let's wait. It's already 70 degrees Celsius now. 50 more degrees to go and we can put the ribs on the grill. For today's cook, I'm going to use frozen ribs. Like you've seen on my channel before, I've cooked a lot of ribs, always fresh ribs, but I've never used frozen ribs. I'm going to tell you I bought these ribs from a 1+1 action in a Flemish store here in Belgium. In Albert Heijn. It was buy one get one free, so I couldn't let them there. I bought a few ribs, they're in my freezer, and I must say they are very good. So Albert Heijn pre-marinated ribs, they are very good, but I've stored them in the freezer. I've never cooked one out of the freezer, so on the pellet grill for the first time I'm going to do this. Let's go. And now we close the lid and we wait for 1 hour and then we come back to spray on them. So the ribs are in the pellet grill for about 35 minutes. Wow. I'm going to spray them for the first time. There we go. Now we close the lid and we come back in 30 minutes. So we are again 30 minutes further. Spray it again. I haven't told you, but I'm using water for spraying. Just water. So I sprinkle the ribs every 30 minutes. In the meantime, it's become dark here. So let's take them off and take them inside to taste them. They are 89 degrees Celsius. Now let's give these ribs a try inside. Wow. So finally, a taste test. Let's go. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. The color is completely pink. Let's go. So juicy. So flavorful. A little smoke flavor. Very good. It's the best. On my Kamado, it's I won't say better, it's completely different. You can't compare the two. Enjoy.